Hi, it's Angeline here. I think alcohol ink is still trending and everyone's still crazy about it. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your own alcohol ink background using some Copic marker refills. Surprise, surprise! I had this in my drawer for some time now and I guess I just figured it out. So I'm also adding some alcohol blending solution, of course, to move the alcohol inks around. I'm using the Simon Says Stamp Yupo paper here because this paper will help the ink move around easily. As you can see, even as I dropped it on the paper, it is already starting to flow and blend well together. So if you're having trouble blending your alcohol inks, it may very well be the paper. So give it a go on this Yupo paper. And of course, you can also add some alcohol blending solution, and you can see the colors blend so well together once I've added that in. You can also go ahead and add more colors as you go to create your very own masterpiece of a background. Here I went ahead to stamp the Citrus Medley border background by Unity Stamp, and I'm magically cutting it into size and speeding that up so that you will not be bored by that. Now I'm grabbing the Unity sentiment kit from December 2018 called Special Wishes, and I've grabbed the thank you sentiment here and stamped it on some vellum. And I've also already put on some gold embossing powder and I'm just heating it up right now. Once that is done, I'm going to adhere it to my card, and the trick here is by using the Thermoweb XL adhesive here, because as you can see, it will not leave a glue mark on your vellum and it will appear like it doesn't have any glue. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick technique and thanks for watching. Bye!